G'day entertainers, Dale here. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most impressive dip or spread you'll ever create. Homemade Labneh, but with a stunning Aussie twist. All you need for the Labneh itself is 4 simple ingredients. Good quality full fat Greek yogurt, some salt, and our 2 Aussie superstars. Ground roasted wattle seeds for a nutty coffee-like depth, and lemon myrtle for a bright citrusy zing. This is possibly the easiest recipe ever. In a bowl, simply combine the Greek yogurt, salt, wattle seeds, and lemon myrtle. Give it a really good mix to make sure those beautiful Aussie flavors are distributed all the way throughout the yogurt, and that's pretty much all the hard work done. Now we need to drain it. Set a colander over a bowl to catch the liquid, which is called the whey. Line it with a clean kitchen cloth. A new chuck style cloth works great, or a few layers of cheesecloth. Spoon your yogurt mix right into the center. Fold the cloth over to cover the yogurt completely, creating a little parcel. You can leave this in the colander, or for maximum drainage, you can gather up the corners, tie it with string, and suspend it over the bowl using a wooden spoon. Now into the fridge it goes for at least 24 to 48 hours. After a day or two, look at this. All that whey is drained out, and what you're left with is this incredibly thick, creamy Labneh. Now for the fun part, let's build a platter. We'll start by toasting a few pieces of bread. Drizzle some quality Evo on a plate and rub your bread over it, creating a thin layer. After that, pop it onto a hot grill to get some nice char lines and a delicious golden crispy toasting. Get a plate and make a big beautiful smear of your Aussie Labneh. Then go wild with toppings. Fresh and semi-dried tomatoes, some of that amazing confit garlic we've made in a previous video, some sweet and tangy glacé rye berries, we've also made that in another video, a scatter of fresh herbs, a drizzle of pesto. The possibilities are endless. Finish it with a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of smoked sea salt. Serve it with charred bread or crackers. This is a quality platter made so simply. Let me know your favorite topping combos in the comments below. Thanks for watching.